everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 11th to the 15th of April 2022 on Monday. Dimple's man wins over her family while Lindiwe is asked to make the ultimate sacrifice on Tuesday. Lindiwe is crushed as the world gets closer to digging up her skeletons while Dimple gets the shock of her life on Wednesday. Lindiwe gives up on something very important to her, just as Dimple chooses glamour over responsibility on Thursday. Dimple finally comes clean about a situation that has been weighing her down while a pandemonium breaks out at the Dikana house on Friday. The Dlamini Dikana family find themselves in the eye of the storm. Dimple makes a decision that takes everyone by surprise. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.